Hello, everybody. This is a video for week 4, task 2, the history of forensics drag and drop activity. So I just wanted to show you where this task is and how to complete it. Okay, so if we are in the Google Classroom, if we go to classwork, we are in week 4, October 5th through the 8th, and we are going to be looking at task 2, the drag and drop timeline. You can click on it if you see it here. If you don't see it there, you're going to want to go to view assignment, and it should be either in the corner here or down below. So once you click on this, you're going to go ahead and see this pop up. So the first thing you want to notice is the instructions. So look at the dates, countries, and events given on each slide and match them to the correct place on the timeline. In order to move a photo or a description in the Google Slides, it has to look like these 4 arrows down here. So it has to look like this. Okay. If it doesn't look like this, it won't move. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have these different countries and dates. So we have 1248, and then we have this flag. This is the Chinese flag, so we're looking for an event that happened in China. Then we have 1784. This is the Great Britain flag, so this is something that happened in England. 1982 or 1892, and this is the Argentine flag. So then what you're going to want to do is read each description. So this one right here says first fingerprint. There's a typo. First fingerprint identification used in Argentina by Juan Vucich. Okay, so that's the first one. So first fingerprint identification used in Argentina by Juan Vucich. First documented case of using physical evidence matching in England. So that one's happening in England. John Toms was convicted of a murder on the basis of matching newspapers found in his pocket to a torn piece found in the gun used. And the last one, first forensic science manual written by the Chinese. It provided the first written record of solving criminal cases with scientific principles. So this one mentions China, so I'm going to move it here. Then I'm going to look for the photos. You might need to make these bigger on your screen. This one's of fingerprints, so that one probably goes with this one here when it talks about fingerprints. This one has markings that I can't read. They're in a different language. And this one is of a man. The only one that mentions a man is the one from England, so I believe it's this one. Okay, this is a thinking exercise, so if you do get some of the dates incorrect with the events, that's okay. I just want to see what you're thinking. So then you're going to the next slide, and here we have the French flag. That's the one with the blue, white, and red. We have the American or the United States flag, and then another French or France, the flag of France. And then again, we're going to match the descriptions. Will go in the middle. The visuals will go on the end here. Then we have one last one with the United States and Great Britain there, or England again. Once you match them all in the correct order, you're going to want to answer these 2 questions. How are you able to match the events to the correct date? So what did you do? Did you look at the date? Did you look at the location? Did you look at the words in each description? How did you know which photo went with which? Was it in color? Was it in black and white? Was it an old photo, a new photo? Whatever type of reasoning you did, you're going to put here. And then the last follow-up question is going to be, how has the field of forensic science changed throughout history? And you're going to type one way that it changed. Maybe it's that the technology has gotten a lot better. Maybe it's actually a career that you can go into. There are a lot of different answers that can go here. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please reach out to me, call or email me if you have any questions.